I don't really feel like myself today, but let's just do this. Hi, I'm Dawn of DawnBDwyer.com, animal artist and author of the forthcoming book, What You Miss When Your Dogs Don't Sleep in Your Bed. Excuse me for a second, I'm feeling a little dehydrated. I'm gonna get something to drink.
I feel so much better. Speaking of water, there's something I actually want to show you. It's not in the house here, so let me just take you with me. We have luxury high-end condominiums and luxury tower apartments. Well, birds have luxury trees, and I found one, so I want to share it with you. And the tree that I'm talking about is this one right here. So we're gonna climb up and I'll show you. So I'm gonna take you up. Go higher and higher. And we're almost there. See that little area that's sticking out there? That is a tree with an indoor pool. Check this out. This tree right here. See? Really cool tree. Sitting here and I realized, oh my gosh, it has an indoor swimming pool. Imagine for the birds what it's like to have your own swimming pool built in. They don't need to go other places for a bird bath. It's right here built into their tree. So what a great place to hang out. And it also has a sunning area. See this branch right here? It's right in the sun, so you can dry off, and it's just like an amazing tree. I love it. I can't believe it. But when I saw it, I didn't realize that birds had luxury trees, but they do, and now you've seen it. So we're out of the woods, and I hope that you enjoyed today's little discovery. So we only got a few days left of this 30-day challenge. So I'd like to give a special shout out to my husband, Matt, for helping me make this video. Thanks, Matt! Maybe that's not appropriate. Come on. Thanks, honey. Let's take a special bow. What a great performance. Yes.
Go.
All right. Great job. Great job. Just for the record, when you start dressing alike, that's kind of a sign that you're getting older. I used to think this when I was young. So I just want to point out that that's not the case here. That the reason why we have two shirts that are the same is because we got them at a business function and they were given to us for a luau. So we don't dress alike. We don't dress alike.
Awesome.
Except for when we're at work events.
Yeah. Or fun.
Yeah.